In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report an email as not spam in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the left sidebar menu, scroll down and click More to expand the full list of folders. From the expanded list, click Spam to open your spam folder. Alternatively, you can click inside the search bar at the top of the screen, type in :spam, and press Enter to quickly display all spam messages. Once you're inside the spam folder, click to open the specific email you want to mark as not spam. At the top of the email, click the Not Spam button. Gmail will immediately move the message back to your inbox. If you prefer to mark multiple emails at once, stay inside the spam folder and check the boxes to the left of the emails you want to restore. To select all visible messages, click the checkbox in the upper left corner above the message list. After selecting the emails, click the Not Spam button in the top toolbar. The selected messages will automatically be moved back to your inbox. Look for the confirmation message at the bottom left corner of the screen to make sure the action was successful. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.